Hello everyone, this is Bilal, and in this video I will show you guys how we can scrap StepStone using Octoparse. Octoparse is a freemium web scraping tool that we guys can leverage to scrap this kind of job listing website for free and using no line of code. And if you are a recruiter or someone seeking hiring tools, it would be a very good video for you to have listings, fresh listings daily automatically. So let's get started. And before we start, if you have any custom solutions or any custom scrapping work, you can contact me here on the email shown on the screen, and we guys can talk and talk it out and do the project. So let's get started now. So first, what you will do is you will see the StepStone website, and you will copy this from here, stepstone.de and /job. Go ahead and click on new, open Octoparse and click on custom task. Wait here, copy this URL and click on save. Now, sometimes the website won't load. Okay, that's normal. Don't get worried about that. Just remove this stepstone /jobs and click on jobs, refresh again. And on this page, we can see the URL correctly. So what now we will do is click on this browse mode button, click on accept cookies, and then we will search for a job, for example. So now if I click here and click here, and then wait until the website is loaded. If it's not loaded, then you can tweak with the settings a bit, like if you go to the anti-blocking or run options, you can go ahead and click on 107, click on save, and then website will show. Okay, now you can see it's showing when we did this Chrome run option and Chrome 107. Okay, now the website, once it's loaded, we will StepStone copy that and we will name this as StepStone bot. Now what we need to do is turn off the browse mode and click on auto detect web page data. What it will do is automatically grab all the listings for you here. So we will wait until it is loaded. Okay, great. Now it's done. Now here you can see the columns are being populated. Now I will select the columns I need. So this is the posted date. I will let it remain here. I don't need this extra columns there, so that I will delete. If you need, you can keep it, but I don't need it. So these will be the things that I need from this page, and I will let this page need to scribe more pages ticked. So I'll click on create workflow. Wait. Put the title URL here and name the columns as would be the company, this would be the location, and this would be the posted date. So I'll name these columns with that. Now most of the times we need to scrap the data from the main page as well. So I got you covered as well. So for that, what you need to do is click on this select subpage URL and let this select as title URL, because we need to go to the main page. So we let it select as title URL. We click on confirm, and you will see it will take us to the main page of the listing. Now you can see we are in the on the main page. So we will just wait here. Now you can see this pop-up. So to cancel this pop-up, we will again turn on this browse mode button, scroll down, and we will click this. So this should close this pop-up, and then we will turn off this browse mode again. Now we need to get the you can see the full description. So we'll click this, but this is not the full description. So what we need to do is go to the Chrome browser, open up a listing on the main, and then we will need to see the XPath. So for that, we will need to right click here, click on inspect, and then we will need the job content, this thing. Okay, and this, it's in the div class. So what we need to do is click this, double click on this, copy this, and see if it's selecting all the description. It is selecting. So we'll go back to Octoparse, click on this plus icon, click on extract data, and then we click on this add custom field, and then capture data on the page. We click on that, and now we need to build a relative XPath. So a relative XPath is basically to select a pinpoint location that we need. So we'll make this by using two forward slashes like this. Then we will use the div class, that was div. Okay, so we'll use it as div. So now we need to do a left bracket and then put at, and then paste the uh, tag that we copied it from the Chrome browser. So we will close it with the right tag, and then you can see we are getting the full text of description. So we name this column as description, and we click on confirm. Now if I click on that, you can see it's grabbing all of the full description here. So that is good for us. So we need this. Now one thing is remaining. We need to click on extract data one, click on options, wait before action, and then choose the time to 2 seconds. That's usually sufficient for us. Now if we click on loop item, we'll go back to the main page. So we can see it's like taking all the listings here. Now if we need to go to the main second page, it's also done pagination. So if you click on to paginate, you can see it's going to the next page as well. And also if you click on loop item again, it's selecting. So it will now keep on going in the loop. So now we'll just run. One thing I missed out is we need to copy this URL, this one, and then we need to paste it here, okay, as RC job, because we need the RC jobs, right? So now we need to run the task and see. So we'll wait until the website is loaded, then we click on run and click on standard mode. So that should scrap all the listings for us. Now I'll fast forward the video. So now guys, we can see the results. I have stopped the bot actually at 5 listings because I just wanted to show you that it's working fine. So we can see we are getting the full description, the posted date, location. Now you can scrap much more data than that. It's just a sample for you to show that it's actually possible with Octoparse. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.